Welcome everyone, you're using standby mode, everything's looking great, but any second now, the screen is going to go black. And what is the point? What's going on here? Well, we need to investigate, so let's exit standby mode, and let's go to the home screen. Once we are on the home screen, let's open up the settings, and inside of the settings, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see standby. And we need to turn on the always on feature. But there is an issue. This iPhone, we can see there's no always on. However, this iPhone, you see here, under display, always on. And so if you see this one, make sure this is on, and then you will not see the black screen. If you don't have the always on feature, you'll be very happy to hear that the standby mode staying on 24/7 is limited to the 2022 Pro series of iPhones and any newer Pro series of iPhones. So if this standby mode will work, you can see I'm in the standby mode and any iPhone got this feature, but if you don't have that model of iPhone I mentioned earlier, the screen will just go black. In this case, the screen will always stay on, you can always interact with it because this is the Pro model. But if you have just a regular iPhone, they screwed you over. There is no reason for the always on feature to be limited, especially when you are on the charger 24/7. This is just how it is, I guess. So that is how it goes. This feature is useless if you do not have iPhone 14 Pro, 15 Pro, or the future Pros. If you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. New iPhone 15 cases link in the description. Bye bye.